Hi guys, Dave's back in the kitchen. Are you ready to shock your taste buds with this new super easy viral recipe? Berries dipped in white and dark chocolate. I have raspberries and blueberries, which I already put in the freezer. And also I have dark chocolate and I have white chocolate. We're gonna melt the chocolate and then dip the berries first in white chocolate, then in dark chocolate. The recipe is so simple that even my parakeet would get it. To melt the chocolate chips, I'm gonna use the double boiler technique. I do not recommend using the microwave because it will make the chocolate dry and grainy, and nobody wants sad chocolate. First, I'm gonna dip the berries in white chocolate, smooth and sweet. Then I'm gonna dip the berries in dark chocolate, bold and rich. Be careful with the boiling water, it may be hot. Now it's time to melt the dark chocolate. The chocolate is not as easy to work, but I hope that it doesn't change the flavor. When you will be done with your berries, you will put them on a tray like I did, and then put them in the freezer for 10-15 minutes. Now it's time to try them. Very good. They are delicious. They taste like berries and dark and white chocolate. Now I'm gonna try these strawberries covered in chocolate, and I will compare them. The store-bought are cold and sour. Personally, I like the homemade ones rather than the store-bought ones because the store-bought ones look beautiful but they're sour, and homemade don't look as beautiful as the store-bought, but they're 100% more delicious. Also, if the berries could talk, they would say, "Thanks, David." By the way, this t-shirt is from summer camp, and I made a whole video about me reviewing it. Go check it out. Stay hungry for more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my new videos. They look like something from a chocolate jungle. Wild, messy, and super